Okay, this neighborhood is your typical. Let's less copy paste than the other one in Fuckerville, however the hell you say it. This one has a little bit of personality to it. So you walk in. You have, I guess, your prison room over here. Dining room, I suppose. Kitchen. They're gracious enough to actually include the fridge. Living room, nice. Decently sized backyard. See, they included the washer and dryer. How Christian of them. I like that. Okay, I don't feel like getting a washer and dryer. You know how crazy it is when you rent out a house for $3,000 and then you say you have to bring your own fridge, washer, and dryer? Get out of here. And the funny thing is the places that were asking me to bring all my own stuff actually cost more and were further out than this. I like the lots of natural light. I know that I'm being a stickler with that, but I like having light in the living room. A dark living room depresses me a lot. Messes with my seasonal affective disorder. It's like having a second set of windows is nice. Okay, up here. Ah, that is some nice strong air conditioning. Okay. One. It's a closet. Two. I forget which one I already walked into. I gotta get myself some breakfast. I'm starving. I like this place the most. 1, 2, 3. That was a bedroom. What was this? I'm literally walking in circles. What happens when you don't eat? Okay, 1. 2. 3. 4. Okay, so you get 4 bedrooms. There's just like an upstairs lounge thing over there.
Yeah, that's a good place for an office, game room, or just like a second floor. Maybe like a movie room.
I like this one. The rest of them kind of suck by contrast.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, this is a great house. This is the furthest north.